guys, welcome to My Beauty. So today we are doing 10, maybe 10, I don't know, 10 spring cleaning tips, or just tips in general, because who says you have to clean just in the spring? Do you have to?
You need it all year round, really.
Yeah, all year round. So these are all year round / spring cleaning tips, and they probably shit you already know, but we're gonna do it anyways. All right, let's get started. Okay, cleaning tip number 1. To keep your garbage disposal smelling fresh, just cut off some lemon rind, drop the pieces into your garbage disposal, and flip the switch on, and you're all set. Cleaning tip number 2. If your microwave is nasty, just take a cup of water, squeeze some fresh lemon inside, and you're just going to put that in there. Do not look at my microwave. And you're going to heat that up for about 5 minutes. And let that set for 5 minutes afterwards, and just take you a cloth or paper towel and wipe that down. Cleaning tip number 3. To keep your stainless steel looking shiny, just take some warm water with some cream of tartar, mix that together, take you a washcloth of some sort, and you're just gonna shine it all up. Okay, cleaning tip number 4, we're making homemade dishwashing detergent. Just take 6 tablespoons of washing soda, 6 tablespoons of citric acid, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and stir that all up. Tip number 5, use your old coffee filter you had before your Keurig and just use it for dusting your computer screens and TV screens. Tip number 6, take some cotton swabs to get in between your keys on your keyboard for easy cleaning. Tip number 7, place a hand towel under your furniture for moving so you don't scratch your floors. Tip number 8, take some fabric softener, put it in the back of your toilet, whatever part you call that, yep, and to keep your bathroom smelling fresh. Tip number 9, you're gonna take a half a cup of baking soda, a fourth of a cup of salt, and you're gonna mix that together and pour it down your bathtub drain or any type of drain to get it unclogged. After you pour that all down, you're going to take some warm vinegar and pour that on top and let it set for about 30 minutes or however long. And tip number 10, take some vinegar, put it in a glass or jar or whatever, take your rusted shower head and let it sit overnight. And the next morning it should be all clean. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye.